My God. Did you see that? Did you see that? I encountered the ghost. My God. I'm still creeping out. What the hell? My God. I'm still shivering. He touched me on my shoulder. My God. Okay. Shall we start again our expedition? What the hell? What the hell is that? What the hell? What the hell is... Oh, it's moving. There was something. There was something right now. Right here. What the hell? Oh my God. What? There's nothing right now. There's nothing. Oh my God. I have to go. I have to go. I have to go.